There's so much unhealed trauma in our relationships, and it affects everything. So many people grew up in abusive or dysfunctional families. Some were molested, others beaten, some drugged. Others were just neglected or gaslit their entire lives by narcissists. How are we supposed to build a happy, healthy world if we feel traumatized and miserable inside? How are we supposed to work together if we feel scared of ourselves and each other? We've been taught we weren't good enough, that we had to compete to make the grade. Told that we're too much, too little, too fat, too sensitive, too broken to be loved. This pain has been passed down from generation to generation. Where does it end? I'm building a healing center to help people recover from what happened to them, so that instead of families falling apart, they can grow closer together. So that instead of breaking up, couples can deepen their experience of love. So that children can learn to process what happened, so they can feel understood and feel safe. A place where we can teach kids to communicate their needs, so they can grow up to become better parents themselves. I'm building a healing center so that people can feel better and do better. I've been helping people heal the worst kind of pain you can imagine using EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, also called tapping. EFT is a self-healing tool that's been proven for several decades now to heal PTSD. It ends anxiety, dispels depression, cures cravings, and helps restore mental and emotional health. It even works on physical pain. I've actually trained doctors who've gone on to train doctors in EFT for their patients. I've been honing my skills as a healer for 35 years, sharing this simple healing modality all over the world. I've taught in England, France, Germany, Spain, Sweden, Estonia, and from New York to California. I've taught at festivals, in churches, in homes, online. And at conferences. I've seen people heal and remember who they are and what they came here to do. And I'm ready to stop traveling and bring it home. I'm ready to put boots on the ground and create a healing center. I found the perfect property just outside of Austin, Texas, that's got everything we need. This is a place we can serve for many generations to come. So now I'm raising money to build a healing center staffed with a team of highly skilled EFT practitioners who I've trained myself for years. Together, we'll help create a happier, healthier world for all of us, built from the inside out. With your help, we can help people heal and keep healing affordable. This work saves lives and prevents suicides. I've seen it keep marriages together, give children back their parents that are no longer panicked, depressed, or abusive. We have the tools and we have the team. All we need now is the funding. $1 million to buy and $1 million to build. I believe fortune favors the bold, and my love is a bold mother's love. And my team, Team Love, are ready to go. I've seen all the unnecessary suffering that untreated trauma has created, and I'm deeply motivated to provide practical solutions to end that suffering right now. Please help us help people heal, so that happy, healthy people can create a happy, healthy world together.